there is a circle on the alif, but we will drop that alif. We won't read the alif, and we will read it like this. Efa'in. Repeat after me twice. Efa'in. 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 Li shay'in. Li shay'in. Li shay'in. ثمود. 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 Also, alif in ana is not recited when you continue reciting after it, but you can recite the alif if you stop at ana. So repeat after me twice. Ana. 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 This is if you continue after ana, then you drop the alif. Another rule is that when there is no sign on waw, then there is no sound. We don't even recite the waw. So, repeat after me twice. Ulaika. 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 Another rule is that ya or waw after standing fatha are also not recited. Remember, no sign, no sound. So in this word there is ya and it has no sign on it. So we won't even read the ya and we will read it like this. Musa. Repeat after me twice. Musa. 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 Isa. 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 الصلاة. 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 الزكاة. 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 So, alhamdulillah, we have finished all of the rules of silent letters. But before we end this lesson, let me do a small recap. So remember, the first rule is that if you see a small circle on alif, then don't read the alif. Second rule is that alif in ana is not recited when you continue reading after it, but you can recite it if you choose to stop there. And rule number 3, no sign on waw means no sound, so we don't read the waw if there is no sign on it. And rule number 4, ya or waw that have no sign after standing fatha are not recited also. So, that was very easy, right? I hope you understood. Next lesson, I will bring you an interesting topic. So, stay tuned. May Allah help us to recite, understand, implement, and propagate this Quran. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu.